Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Gemini for the last week of August and first week of September 2021. So watch this video if you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If you do not resonate, just go do something else with your life, watch Netflix or whatever. And and if it resonates, then let me know in the comments how is it resonating. All right, if you want to have a personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. And yeah, if you also want to get crystals from me, then I sell crystals. I'm also about to sell spell jars. So yeah, if you want all of that, just follow me on my Instagram, and there's so much coming your way. All right, so now let's see Messages for Gemini. Gemini. Gemini for August last week and September first week. Give me message for Gemini, please. Bad health. Gemini, just take care of your health, honey. What's up? You guys might not be taking care of health, and you really need to take care of your health. What else? And we have main male and sudden wealth. So bad health and sudden wealth, what is this? So I see that there could be a male in your life that could be very prominent, could be a boss, could be somebody who's going to be very prominent. These 2 weeks I also see sudden wealth coming into your life, and I also see bad health. So you really need to take care of your health. And I see some money dropping in very unexpectedly. So maybe a business idea just blows, or maybe you get a sudden client, or maybe you get a hike, something about that which is going to give you unexpected money. And then there could be a guy, could be a male who's just center of attention in your life. So for women, I understand that this could be your person of interest, but for the guys, Gemini guys watching this could be someone else. It could be a boss, could be father, whatever, who's going to be very prominent for these 2 weeks. All right, so just you know, what was I about to say? Just pay attention. I'm not able to speak, and we are not even in Mercury retrograde. What the fuck? All right, so now let's see messages for Gemini for the love life for the 2 weeks ahead. Give me the present energy for Gemini in love. So we have the Queen of Wands. This is good. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Amazing. So Gemini, I see there's a conflict between you. All right, it's like you want to do something, but then you're stopping yourself from doing something. So you know, there's a push and pull happening in you when it comes to love. You have a lot of passion for somebody, but then you're not showing your emotions to this person. It could be vice versa also for cross watchers watching this. This is a common sense thing when you watch a tarot reading, so I'm still reminding you guys. All right, so with the Queen of Wands, some of you, I see that you might also be doing spells on this person. If not, you're just trying to manifest, or you're just trying to attract this person with your charisma, your aura, or whatsoever, and you are coming out as someone who's very sexy and appealing to this person as well. So this person also admires you. They're physically very attracted to you. But how are you feeling, Gemini? You're feeling like a Queen of Swords. So what are you doing? You're not showing your true emotions to this person. You have so much of passion inside you, but on the outer surface, you're not showing your passion. You're trying to be quiet. I see some of you, you're playing very safe because you don't want to put the first foot. All right, you just want to stay back, and you want to see how this person reacts, and then you feel that whatever they will do, you are going to act according to them. So you are not going to take the action, you're just going to reciprocate. All right, that's your intentions towards this person. I also see that you're suppressing your emotions, you're suppressing your feelings. You don't want to show them what you feel about them. That's the thing that you are doing these days. You're being very quiet, very calm. You're just in your own element. And you know, Geminis can be very cold. They can be very cold if they decide to. Like, they will literally talk to you like how your HR talks to you. Even if you were that person, they will still talk to you like they are in HR. You know, you will not feel a single bit of emotion if a Gemini is done with you, or if a Gemini is pissed with you. So let's see. Two of Cups. I see somebody still going to you know, calm down with their love. So Gemini, this person is realizing that you are giving them a cold shoulder, but I see this person is going to bring in love into the situation. Expect a lot of communication to come your way. I see there could be a water sign or a fire sign that's coming in with a lot of communication. So your phone is going to buzz a lot for the coming 2 weeks. Expect an unexpected communication coming into your life, and all of this is coming after some sort of drama. I see that this person might have walked away, or this person was behaving in a very weird way, and that is why you took up this cold attitude, and now this person wants to calm you down. They want to bring back love, they want to soothe you, they want to just bring those emotions back into the connection, because now this person is realizing how cold you can be, Gemini. So you are showing them your reality, and this person is now scared. Now they want to bring in love into the situation. The same person who walked away is now coming back. You see, this is again the red jacket, and the red cloth, and here this is again red cloth. So it's the same person. The same person who walked away is coming back. So it's like when you were there for them, when you were all over them, they were not appreciating it. And now when you walked away, or now when you started showing them your cold side, now they realize. So let's see, how is this person viewing Gemini? 10 of Swords. This person thinks you're done with them. So some of you, it's another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. They think that after they left, you are done with them, because you are anyway showing them a very cold side of yours. So some of you, this person thinks that they lost their chance with you. Gemini, you being very cold to this person. This person thinks it's done. 6 of Pentacles. See, they would want to balance the situation with you. Like, this person is looking a way to balance it with you, but when it comes to your feelings, this person thinks you don't have any feelings for them. So you have convinced this person that you don't give a fuck about them. Gemini, smart ass Gemini. They don't know that you're suppressing your emotions. So this person's next action, 3 of Swords. This person's next action towards Gemini, 4 of Cups. This person is too scared to approach you, Gemini, because you're showing them your cold side. This person is going to be very scared to approach you. They know that they had hurt you in the past. This person is scared that you are going to reject them. So that is why they are going to take their own sweet time to approach you. They think that even if they talk to you, you will not accept. See, they are planning how to approach you, but they are very scared to take that leap, because they feel that you are not going to accept them in your life again. Okay, so what's going to be the outcome here though? What is going to be the outcome here? World card with the 5 of Swords. It also flipped, I just saw. Gemini, some of you, you're not going to give this person a chance, or you're just going to make them chase you. You feel this person has made you chase them, so now you're going to be tit for tat. You are in the revenge mode these days, Gemini, aren't you? You are. You have passion, you have emotion, but you're not going to show it to them. Some of you, you're going to show to this person that you don't give a fuck. Like, you're just going to be very stubborn about it. Yeah, see? You're also going to be very cutthroat in your communication. You're not going to be sweet to this person because you feel they don't deserve it. You feel this person deserves your cold nature, your bitter tongue, and Geminis can be very bitter if they decide, you're going to show this person that. Some of you, I see that you're doing really well in your life, so you're also like, I don't need this person. They did not value me when I was there with them, and maybe I was not as successful, but now when I'm successful, I don't need this person. You don't want to give a piece of your success to this person. Like, they were not there with you when you were hustling and grinding and you reached to this position, and now they just want to take a piece of your success. You don't want that. So I see that some of you, you're going to make this person chase you. You want them to chase you. You're not going to be that easy. So what is Gemini's actions towards this person? Give me one more card. Page of Wands. You want to talk, but then you don't want to talk. You're hiding your emotions. You're hiding your feelings. You want this person to put in the effort. You don't want to put in the effort. Yeah, you want this person to balance the situation with you. You're not ready to compensate or compromise. You're like, you do the work. You left me last time, you do the work. You know? You want this person to win your trust back. Yeah, Ace of Cups. However, you have love, Gemini. You have love. But you don't want to show your emotions to this person. With the Two of Pentacles, I also see that you have two people in your life. So you're kind of also confused as to which one should you choose. Nine of Cups. I see a wish fulfillment coming towards you. Whatever it is. If it's reconciliation with this person, then that is coming. If you don't want to reconcile with this person, ditch this person and go for a new person, then that's coming in too. Some of you, you're dealing between an air sign and a water sign. So it's like you have a choice. And I see wish fulfillment. So whichever you want, you will get it. You will get it. Five of Pentacles and the Four of Wands. Yeah. I see, Gemini, you have really fought a very long battle. It's like you were all alone doing things. Somebody left you out in the cold. This person was not there for you. And now they just want to come back and be with you and have a family. You're like, work hard for that. If you want my attention, work hard. I'm not saying that you're totally going to reject them, but it's like you're going to make them work. That's what it is. You exactly remember how this person ghosted you or cheated you or treated you. So you're not going to be very easy bet for them this time. If you're also wanting to purchase a home, I see a wish fulfillment. If you want to marry, settle down, I see a wish fulfillment. You have a choice. You have a choice between a water sign or an air sign, or could be any sign, does not matter. But yeah, I see two options maybe. And you know, I see that you will have the upper hand. So you have the wish fulfillment. You can choose what you want. But there is someone definitely who rejected you. They left you out in the cold. They are regretting the fact that they did. And they want to bring love back into the situation. Two of Cups. And they will be playing the emotional card this time. So when this person talks to you, they are going to be very emotional. They're going to try to emotionally manipulate you, you know. But Geminis are too smart for that. Yeah, somebody is looking for reconciliation with you, Gemini, for sure. For sure. But you're not going to be that easy for them. They know it. This person is kind of fucked over you because this person knows that they screwed it with you. So they're very scared to approach you. Some of you, this person is, you blocked this person. You've already blocked this person. This person is in your block list. So they don't know how to approach you. And they're very scared to approach you. They're contemplating right now. Alright, give me message for Gemini. The answers you need are coming. Didn't I tell you that? Gemini, the answers that you never had with this person, they ghosted you and you never got to know, they're all coming in. This person is legit going to tell you everything from start to the end. So the energy is gaining momentum and your dreams need a practical plan. So especially if you're trying to invest your money somewhere, just see that, you know, you have done your groundwork and you don't unnecessarily lose your money. That's another thing. But yeah, I see that you were looking for an answer for a very long time with this person and they ghosted you. They never gave it to you. The energy is now gaining momentum and I see somebody is going to give very clear communication to you, telling you what exactly happened. So somebody is ready for that clarity with you. Give me message for Gemini, please. Attraction. See, again, Gemini, somebody is very attracted to you. Like this could be the one. This person, some of you, this person feels that you are the one for them. Or they think they are the one for you, you know, like very strong attraction is there. And I see some of you, out of the two, one person could be the one for you. And you feel it. Like intuitively, you know that this person is the one for you. Out of the two that I said, you have an option. So it's like you can choose. And new love. Some of you, this is a new love that's coming towards you and you also have a past person. So it's like you are stuck between two people. Now you can decide, Gemini. You can decide. But however, one of them is the one for you. So I think you've already met the one that you're supposed to be with. Alright? Make a wise choice. That's the only advice I would like to give you. Make a wise choice. Alright? We'll see you in the next week's reading. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.